Welcome. This meditation is perfect when you don't have a great deal of time but need a quick refresh and restore. The breath and present moment combo are easy to put into practice for this purpose. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position and have your eyes closed. Take a few moments to settle into stillness and let go of everything. Don't worry, you can return to what you need to do shortly, refreshed and ready to continue with your day. For now, let go. Move your attention to your breath now, allowing your breathing pattern to come to an easy, flowing rhythm. Now bring your awareness to your body, sitting or lying. Notice how it feels. Become aware of your body expanding and contracting as you breathe in and out. You have brought yourself into the present moment. Imagining now the bright lights of 100 candles. With each inhale of breath, the light is filling you with positive energy and vitality. With each exhale, you naturally relax your entire body and let go of any residual tiredness or stress. Continue to observe your breath and your body expanding and contracting. And as you do, you are filled to overflowing with the light of the candles. It runs through you and all around you, encasing you in a bubble of vibrancy. Breathe in and breathe out, connecting to the vibrancy, the vitality, the light, and your body moving, contracting, expanding, and letting go. Well done. You are now feeling refreshed and restored, ready to carry on with your day. That brings our time together to a close. Thank you for being here with me. I hope you've received some value. Please leave a comment, click the thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel where you will find many more meditations to choose from. Enjoy your day, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.